So we're going to be doing a roast in the hearth today, cooked right by the open fire. Thanks for watching. So our fire is getting stoked up, ready to go I think. It's going to be tricky trying to hang this, but so we've got our eye of the round is what this cut of meat is. Good for a roast. It's actually good for steaks if you cut it up thin too. I have my twine here that I've actually soaked in water to hopefully keep it from burning and preventing our roast from falling. But there's some salt water here that we're going to use for the basting, obviously, and the spoon. So pretty simple recipe here. We just have to tie this up. So fat cap down to begin with. We want that facing up when we're done. So we'll try to get this piece of twine somewhat centered here. Get a knot tied in there. So it should be good. Now to try and hang it. Try to get our dish somewhat centered under there to catch the drippings from the meat. Probably use a bigger bowl. That's working pretty good. So now we'll just twist our string here one way. Twist it up pretty good. And that way the meat will spin for a while by itself. Would have been a little aggressive with the spinning, but so it calls for about 15 minutes per pound. Well, this is a 2-pound roast, so a half hour-ish. I would imagine it's probably going to go longer than that. I don't have the best of setups here, but I think it'll work. Hope that string don't burn. And again, every so often we'll give it a baste. just basted it. You can see it starting to brown up. It's been about 40 minutes to this point. So I've just adjusted the roast. We had the fat cap on top to start. And everything else was cooking good, the bottom, all the sides, and even the edges of the fat cap. But I was worried about the very top, so I just took it off, ran my string up through the side of it, tied a knot, and rehung it. So now that fat cap can get cooked as well. So we're at 1 hour right now, cooking time. It looks good. I'm starting to be able to smell it. So we'll just keep basting it and see how it goes. Well, that's looking pretty phenomenal, smelling pretty phenomenal. It is a roast, so obviously I wanted to try this video out. I seen it on the Townsend's channel. Such a cool video. You know, I cook like this out at camp, you know, by a fire a lot, but I've never done it, you know, roast like this, and certainly not in the house in the hearth. So I figured I'd give it a try, but that looks pretty good. It's supposed to be medium to rare, somewhere in there, so we'll just see how it turns out. But that's done. It looks amazing. Let's cut into that bad Larry and see what happens. Let's check the juices real quick. Guess they're clear. Moment of truth. That's like just about medium, maybe a little bit more than medium. Okay. Mind the shoddy table I'm on here. Stunning. Absolutely stunning. Alright, so enough jib jabbing. Let's try this out. I should probably go get some salt and pepper. winner. So good. As is just about anything cooked by the fire, in my opinion. Let me get some pepper. Well, that's good. Freshly cracked. I know, not very 18th century style-y, but can't help myself. And yes, I'm going to use my fingers too. Give it a go, guys. Thanks for watching.